Hello, welcome back to Plumbing College. Today I'm going to show you how I would do the plumbing task P13. Like always, the first job is to draw out your work onto a board to scale. We've drawn to scale all the pipe runs. I've installed all the clips in the appropriate places, and I've also put in purple the measurements just so you can follow what I'm doing. So now let's go to the workshop. Let's fabricate and install the worst pipe first, which of course is low carbon steel. So for this project, we're using 1/2 inch low carbon steel. So we need a 3/4 to 1/2 inch female reducer. We need a 1/2 inch union to go here, 1/2 inch T to go here. So we're going to put this in place here. Right. So the fitting goes into the pipe this far, which is 13 mm. So what we can do, we can measure 13 mm. Right. So you can either guess it, so it goes to there, or measure 13 mm like that. Or we need to bend the pipe so it goes exactly here, like this. So what we're going to do is we're going to get a ruler. There, like that. So I've drawn a black line there. So that is going to be where the centre of this pipe is going to go. Because we are using 1/2 inch pipe, we measure the internal diameter, which is 15 mm. So we measure back 15 mm, which is there. Like that. And we put, as always, we put ticks. So this is the line we need. This one here. We then go to the preset hydraulic pipe benders, then put the pipe in. Right, so the line with the ticks sits in the dead centre there. Okay, so that's that. Right, and we know the pipe goes in this far to there. So there. So we look at some ticks there. Right, so now we've got to cut this and thread it there and thread it there. Right, we can take this one off. Just remember, don't go to there, go to the end of the dies there. That's enough. I'm going to screw in this 3/4 male iron to 22 mm copper compression adapter. Right, so that's how it's looking so far. Now we're going to do the 50mm offset. So I want the bend to start happening here. Right, so for a 50mm offset with low carbon steel, a 30-degree bend is good. So let's put this into the bender and bend it 30 degrees. Right, so that line goes about there. Right, so we put the 50mm mark on the edge of the table here. Move it along. And when it just touches there, we draw a mark. Just touches the pipe, we draw a mark. So with that mark, we then draw it all the way around the pipe, like that. So that line goes about there, like that. The pipe goes in that far, 13mm, and the same this way. It goes to there, to there. I'm going to screw these 1/2-inch male iron to 15mm copper adapter on. Then unscrew the union, this one. That is the low carbon steel bit done. That's the worst bit done. Right, next. So next we've got a 22, 15, 15 compression tee going here. But what we can do to help us centralise it, we can put this here. So we're going to be focusing on this bit here. So we need to bend some 90-degree 22mm copper around here. That's what we can do. I'll push this in all the way. Right. So what we want is we're going to bend this. We want the bend to be exactly here. So I've marked the centre there. Like that. I've put a tick here. This is a side I want not to move. Get the Monument Masters 22mm pipe benders. Put the pipe in this way. So this side is not going to move. this side will move. So the side with the ticks, we don't want moving. This will move. This technique will work with any pipe bender. Right, so that is what 90 degrees looks like. We want this line to be here. That's what we can do. So that line is in the middle. So I've done it to the end of the 90 gauge there. The pipe pushes in to there. To there. Right, so that's where we're at so far. The pipe pushes in to there, and it pushes in to that line there. I'm going to put this pipe in just to centralise it. Pushing the stiffener like that. Then this goes in that line there. We then allow for the stiffener to there. Right, I'm going to solder this one out of situ. Right, so for the compression, we have to use a special stiffener, which is this type here. You can't use these on compression. So now we're going to do the 50mm offset. So I've got about 530mm of 15mm copper tube. So let's just say we want the bends to start about here. So a good angle for 50mm is 45 and back 45. So see my other videos, but we want the bending to start here. 45 degrees. Take it out. Swing it that way. Luda's touching the former parallel, and it's 50mm. Make sure the pipe's straight. We then bend it back 45 degrees. Alright, so you want the middle to be here. Like there. I've seen my other shorts how to do this, but we measure 40mm and 40mm. Like that. We then put that there, middle there. going to bend it 60. That line goes there. That line goes there. That goes down there. And we're going to bend it 30, but we're going to make sure that it's all straight. Which is there. Take it out. Put that one in. Close all the clips. Make sure everything's done up tight. To 10 bar. Now you know how to install P13. It's your turn to have a go.